Now, if you're seeing this video before September of 2023, you're one of the lucky people. Congratulate yourself because you are one of the people that might come back to this video and talk about how much you have made since you saw this video, how you're able to make over 1 million naira between now and September. Now, what I'm about to show you is called affiliate marketing. I started this business last year and it has made me over 12 million naira between May and now February of this year. It makes me at least 1 million naira a month, and I'll be showing my January bank statements just so you're sure. And I've also taught over 100 of my students how to earn with this same business. Now, what is this business about, you might ask? Affiliate marketing is simply promoting digital products that belong to other people, and for every product you're able to promote and successfully sell, you get a commission. Let me break this down on how you can now make 1 million with this. Now, digital products are always within the price of 50 to 100,000 naira or 30 to 100,000 naira. Let's say you're promoting a product of 50,000 naira and your commission is 25,000 naira, which is half of the product, and you promote five of those products in 1 week. How much have you made? 100,000 naira. And the beauty of this business is that the fact that you can do it regardless of your working condition, whether you're a 9 to 5, whether you don't have a job, whether you're a student, whether you're a stay-at-home mom. You can do this from anywhere you are in the world, and it's simple. It's something that I'll teach you. Now let's go to the next detail. Now, if this is something that you are ready and you are willing to learn and you want to change your finances, the next step for you to do is pay 4,000 naira to the account details that I will link to this video. And you might be asking, what am I paying 4,000 naira for? Now, 4,000 naira will give you information on how you can start, which is the full definition of this business, what this business entails, how commission works, platforms that you can use to get this business of yours started, and how you can access my copy and paste mentorship, how you can become my student and start earning. Now, before this video ends, I want to show you one thing, which is reviews from at least 5 of my students that have made it with this business. In case you think that okay, it's not only this person, let me see other people that are like me. I'll be showing you that now. Thank you for watching this video, and the account number will be on your screen as soon as my students reviews leave. Thank you very much. Bye.